Okay? And as you can see, the main difference between this resonance and this resonance is there I try to master something, and there I let myself being moved by the other, and this is therefore a synonym of male jouissance or female jouissance, or feminine or female, male or masculine, or active, or this can be active jouissance and this is a passive jouissance. Okay? Okay, now let's come to here. What happens there? There we have the understanding of an image. What is the understanding of an image? If I come back to, oh, it has disappeared. If if I come back to this S1, S2, S3, okay. As I mentioned before, this series can be infinite or can lead to a question mark or leads to the S of a bar, But actually, this is not how it works. At a time, I decide to cut. Here, for instance. I can decide that I do not want to go up to S3, that I want to remain between S1 and S2, and I want to cancel this arrow there. Okay? And what happened there, in a way, it is that I decide that S2 is answering my question. Okay. Let's go further. Hold on a second. I want to write something more here. Okay. 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 I have a let's say it that way. I have a question. and I try to find the answer. Question is S1. First answer is S2, but I'm not satisfied with S2. So I carry on thinking, and I come to S3. I'm not satisfied by S3. So I keep on thinking up to S4. And I say, oh, perfect. That is my choice. Okay. My choice is S4. Okay? And I stop thinking, and I never come to S5. What is the process I've done so far? Of course, S1, S2, S3, S4, S5 belong to here. And when I pretend that S4 is the solution of my questioning, I believe that I grabbed something of the real. But if I had gone up to S5, I would have grabbed another solution to my problem. But I decided to stop at S4. Therefore, which is going to be associated there is not the real, but an image of the real. And by stopping there at S4, I have chosen. What do I have? What did I choose? I choose a sense. So here we have here inside we have the sense. The me. Well, let's keep on the sense. Okay, and which is very close to the French word, because in French it is sense, and this led to a play on word. Which is jouissance, okay, which is very close to jouissance that you have here, okay? So now we have built the Borromean knot, which is the structure of an instant when the subject is captivated by an object of desire. Before we carry on a bit on the connections between this Borromean knot and what can be the source of before trying to write on this Borromean knot the how a symptom can be can occur. I'd like to see if you have some questions or remarks or whatever.
May I start? Can I ask a question?
I think maybe
Yeah, sure.
the relationship
Who is called? Who is talking?
Is Doug?
Doug?
Hi, it's Doug.
Yeah.
My computer just kind of is making something funny happen here. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Something's going wrong with my. Is everybody else's screen fine right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So what did you?
Anyway, I'm just thinking of the A in terms of like a concrete object, but I know this is, not really how it's presented over time with Lacan.
Sure.
And I can see how, with the example of the painting, there are some very concrete senses of the way the rings interact in relationship to that as an actual object. So I'm wondering what the relationship of small a, of petite a, to the actual object is.
What do you mean by actual object?
So are there many petite a's?
Okay. This what has been described here is is an instant t. This is a shot of an instant. It is when I am interested in an object A, and the structuring of these three toruses are going to be are going to depend on the object A that I am interested in. And then we will see how this can sometimes lead to symptoms when there is a problem in the object A. But it's the actual object. We do not really have an access to the actual object. Namely the object of reality. We do not have an access to it. We only have access to the object as an object of desire, meaning that it has been totally transformed by our desire.